So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Chrome browser on your Kali Linux. So that open a browser and search for download Chrome. You can see Google Chrome download here. Open it. After that, you can see the download Chrome option here. So as you can see, it's 64-bit.deb file. So click accept and install. So the download is now started. So after completing the download, open the terminal and move to downloads. As you can see, this is the Google Chrome. You have to install it by giving the command sudo dpkg -i and the file name and enter your password. If you want to download if you want to install a file in Kali Linux with the extension deb files, then you can give the command sudo dpkg -i to install something named the extension deb in Kali Linux. So it's easy. So click here, search for Chrome. Yeah, you got it here, right? So this is how we install Chrome on Kali Linux. So if you want to install any of the application with extension .deb, you can use this command sudo dpkg -i and the file .deb. That's it. Thanks for watching.